Today I would like to share you how to get internal wallpaper for any of your iPhone, including like from the older device. Even though you own the iPhone 4, you should be able to get it all the way up to 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. You can see this is my iPhone SE, the first generation iPhone SE, and then this is the iPhone 13 mini. I can see through my phone what inside it. Now let me show you how to get it. What you're gonna do is to go into Safari, and then you're gonna go into this link called iPhone.com. I link this in my video description too. And then you're gonna search. Let's say you own the iPhone SE like me. What you're gonna do is type your device name. So in my case, the iPhone SE, and then you need to include internal wallpaper, just like that. But if you own the other device, let's say you own iPhone 11, you can search iPhone 11 internal wallpaper, and that's it. It is very simple. Now click on go, and from here it's gonna show you some of the link. So you're gonna find this one tier down, including the wallpaper tool. Just select on it and then scroll down, and after that you're gonna find all of this wallpaper. It is in good quality, and pick the one that you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one. Just go ahead and tap on it. You can see it has been downloaded and it is in good quality, and all I have to do is just hold on it and save it into my camera roll. Now we're gonna go back into photo, and here is the wallpaper that has been saved, and you can set it on your iPhone lock screen or your iPhone home screen to show off to your friend. It is very simple and quick. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one, and then I will catch you guys in the next video.